What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be showing you how to install a pair of LED headlights on a 2004 to 2008 Ford F-150. It's a really simple process. All you're going to need is some high quality LED headlights and a 10mm socket and socket wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver. It's a really easy process. It shouldn't take you any more than, I would say tops 30 minutes, but realistically it'll probably be more of like a 15 to 20 minute job. Like I said, it's really easy, minimal tools required. Let's get started. Okay, so step one will be removing this Phillips head screw right here. So this is your headlight assembly right here. So here's where the screw is located. Once this guy is out, this flap right here will completely peel back, revealing a 10mm bolt on top and on bottom, and then there will be one more 10mm bolt right here. So step one, unscrew this and we'll pull this guy back. Now the trick with this is you don't really want to be pushing down hard when you're unscrewing it. Just barely put the tip in and slowly unscrew back, and the screw will kind of like bring itself up, if that makes sense. So I'm not putting any downward pressure on, I'm just barely unscrewing and it pops right out. Basically just do it with your fingers at that point. So here's that guy right there, and then like I said, this flap right here is gonna just fold back. I'm gonna tuck it under here. That's step one. Okay, so now that we've got our flap pushed over here, we've revealed these two 10mm bolts on top and on bottom, and then like I said, there's a third one over here, so don't forget about that one. 10mm socket and a socket wrench. I got tools falling down. So take 1, 2, and 3 out. That'll be step two. Alright, so now that we've removed bolts 1, 2, and 3, there's a little plastic tab that you're going to pull up on right here. See, it kind of even just fell out on its own. And you're just going to gently pull out, and you have completely removed your housing assembly. So that's going to be step 3. The process of removing your headlight is very, very easy. It's going to be this big guy right here. Simple turn to the left, kind of wiggle and jiggle and pull out. This is going to be the headlight you're replacing with your superior quality LED headlight. The process of removing your old headlight is very easy. There's a tab. Oh, got you on the wrong side. Here we go. There's a tab right here, and you're gonna push in on that. And I like to push in, then pull out, and this old headlight should pop right out. So we're gonna push in on the tab with our thumb right here, pushing in, push towards it, pull away, and it'll pop right out just like that. Then you're gonna take your new LED headlight. These things look pretty sweet. And you're gonna take this plug right here and plug it into what you just unplugged right back there. So you can see it's got these little tabs and ridges, so those will line up to where you're supposed to plug it in. Okay, so it's completely plugged in right here. And now you're gonna go turn on your truck real quick just to make sure that these lights are working properly. And as you can see, this guy is illuminating very brightly. You can hear the fan turn on to keep this guy cool, because it does run a lot hotter than your normal stock bulbs. So now you know it's working. Now it's time to put it back inside the housing assembly. Now that you know it's working properly, you're gonna line up these little ridges. You can see these little white ridges right here. There should be 3 of them. Those are gonna match up perfectly to the 3 ridges that you see right in here where you took your old headlight out of. So go ahead and line it up and then twist it. It'll turn right to lock into place. So just find once the ridges match up. Let's see, 1, 2, and 3. So those guys will go right there. There we go. And like I said, turn right into place. And now it is locked into place. Pull on it, wiggle it, it's not going to come out. These guys are made specifically to fit the 2004 to 2008 F-150. This company makes custom fit lights for all kinds of vehicles. They sent me these guys specifically because it matched up to the 2004 to 2008. I have 2006 model, so it fit perfectly. So don't worry about it being like a one size fits all kind of thing. These guys will fit in the exact size and specifications as you need for your vehicle. And now that it's all plugged in, all you're gonna do is put the headlight back on, and you'll twist in the three 10mm bolts. You'll pull the flat back over and screw in the Phillips head screw. And that's basically all there is to it, guys. It's a super simple process. These lights are gonna be incredibly brighter, much, much better than the stock ones that you normally run. I mean, so like this is what your old ones look like. These are what your new ones are gonna look like. I mean, just like so much, they're gonna be so much better quality. I've done a lot of stuff to this truck specifically from this company. That's how I know that they're, you know, such good products. Packaging it comes in is really great. I'll just show you guys real quickly some of the specs that these guys will run at, as you just show you guys the wattage, you know, how bright it burns and that kind of stuff. They do come with a 1-year warranty, 100% satisfaction guaranteed. But I'm gonna quit rambling about the lights. I'm gonna put this guy back in, and all right, guys, that's gonna completely wrap up today's video. I told you guys in the beginning, it's a very short and simple process. Minimal tools required. Phillips head screwdriver, 10mm socket wrench, all you need. To be honest, the only reason it took me like half an hour to do it is because I was trying to like film and show you guys the whole process. But now that you guys know what to do from me making the video, it should probably only take you guys anywhere between 10 to 15 minutes. If you guys have 2 people, like 1 person per headlight, 5 minutes tops. Real quick, let me tell you guys something. Like, if I'm talking about a product, I feel like I talked about like the specific company, like the lighting company, a lot more than I normally do in today's video. I just want to assure you guys, like right off the bat, I would never ever talk about or promote a product that I don't use myself and actually believe in. So like, I've used this company for like my map lights, for my tail lights, and as you know, now for like my headlights as well. So like, don't worry about me, guys, like selling out and just trying to like push product and that kind of crap. Like, I'm never gonna do that. If I don't use it myself and believe in it, I'll never talk about it on my channel. And that's all I'm gonna say about that kind of stuff. Now, I appreciate you guys watching. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers right now, guys. It's absolutely crazy. I think we're creeping up on like 800 right now, which means that 1,000 is right around the corner. I'm gonna do a freaking awesome, crazy giveaway when we hit 1,000 subscribers. I have an idea for what I want to do. I've actually kind of hinted at it as well on my Instagram. If you guys aren't following me, it's always in the description of my video. My Instagram handle is, so go follow me on there. But I'm gonna do something awesome for you guys when we hit 1,000 subscribers, man. I can't wait. Just like the more this channel grows, the more I want to give back is basically, you know, what I want to do. That's the goal. So I can't thank you guys enough. Appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, if anything about this install wasn't clear, like leave it in a comment below. I always answer, like, you know, questions and comments and that kind of stuff. Feel free to message me on Instagram. I'm just a guy. I'm not a big time YouTuber. I'm just a guy who likes to work on trucks. I want to hear about your trucks and how you like to work on them and all that good stuff. If you guys do want to pick up any of those lights, I have a code as well. I think it's Andrew and LASTFIT 10 or something like that. You can get 10% off any lights for your vehicle. Doesn't have to be my model of truck. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll catch you guys next time.